Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to delete Snapchat call history. Let's go. Sometimes you may want to clear your call history for privacy reasons or just to keep things tidy. Deleting your call history is easy. First of all, open up the Snapchat application. Then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see a section called Privacy Controls. Once you find it, you'll see an option called Clear Data. Now tap on it, and then tap Clear Conversations. Then tap on the X icon next to the conversation. That you want to clear. Once you've done this, the call history for that specific conversation will be deleted. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.